Today I will be reviewing the Elfin E1 Plus by Cheerble. I did receive this for free, but I will give you my honest opinion. It was pretty easy to set up as cat water fountains go. I do like the fact that the water tray is stainless steel, which makes it sanitary and easy to clean. Since we are talking about cleaning, please keep in mind that the plastic that they use for the water tank is not dishwasher safe, so that must be washed by hand as well. On that note, I do like the fact that the water tank is clear. The clear water tank makes it easy to see the water level at a glance, and I can monitor the water levels very easily. They advertise this fountain as a wireless fountain, which is true once you charge the fountain. However, the charger is at the bottom of the fountain. So, in other words, you have to turn the entire unit upside down to charge it. I know if I leave the cable hanging, my cats will definitely chew on it. So personally, this fountain will always be plugged in and it will not be wireless for me. As for the filters, they do come sold separately in multi-packs. They are about $2 a filter, and you're supposed to change them every 20 days. Once you plug in the water fountain, press and hold the function button in the back of the device for 3 seconds. I have my device on smart mode, so when Ziggy and Zelda pass by, it dispenses water for 20 seconds. I like that it's motion censored, so that way you don't hear the water running all the time. And when the water is running, it's whisper quiet. Ziggy tries it out, and he seems to like it. Of course, to test it out properly, he has to put his paw in it. In the description down below, there is an exclusive offer just for Ziggy and Zelda's viewer for 24% off